Seymour USB probes represent a truly revolutionary breakthrough in ultrasound imaging. They are the first probes that plug directly into your laptop and offer quality ultrasound imaging at a fraction of the cost of other systems. Take a virtual test drive and see for yourself. You'll experience our easy-to-use software interface and can view some high-resolution images too. Once you have your Seymour probes, you need only plug them in to one of the USB ports of your system and you'll be ready to scan, because this is the very same software that runs our probes. You'll take the test drive in 3 easy steps. First, we download and install Seymour software, then we'll download some high-resolution images, and finally we'll view them. So let's go to step 1. Let's download and install the Seymour software from our website, www.IntersonCorp's. Just click on the download link from our website, IntersonCorp's, and you'll see SeymourSetup.exe. Just click on that, and we'll save it to our download folder. And it's a fairly small file, only a couple megabytes, so it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to do that. Once it's downloaded, just double click on the icon and the software will install on your computer. Just click on next and everything's fairly automatic, and just use the defaults. Click on install and it will install on your desktop, and this takes under a minute. It's very quick. When it's through installing, just click on finish, and that's all there is to it. Next, we'll download some high-res images from our websites. You have a choice of some cine loops or some static images. In this case, we'll just download some static images. So again, on the same downloads page of the website, just scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see we've got quite a selection that we're constantly updating of different images, both cine loops and static images. And we're going to download some high-res static images in this case. And that file is a little bit larger, so it may take a minute or so depending upon the connection speed you have on your internet. So we'll take a look at your download folder, and here's the folder of images, but they're compressed, so we need to extract them. So we click on it, right click, go to extract all, and the compressed extraction wizard comes on. Just click on next, and we're going to browse and we're going to put them on your desktop in the Seymour data folder that I told you about, which is where all your images and studies are. So you just click OK, next, and we'll automatically place those folders there. That's all there is to it. Let's go back to your desktop and let's look inside the Seymour data folder to make sure the images are there. And sure enough, we've got 5 high-resolution images that we can look at. But we have to look at them by loading them into the Seymour software. And that's the next step. In order to view the images, we'll launch the Seymour application. Double-click on the Seymour icon on your desktop and it will launch the application. And again, this is the same software that you will use to run the probe once you have your USB Seymour probe. Very simple interface. The auto scan tab basically just has intensity contrast controls. In the image control here, we can load those images, those high-res images. So I just click on load, and let's just look at a gallbladder image, for example. And here it is. We can do some post-processing by adjusting the intensity or the contrast according to our tastes. We can even do some measurements on this image by right-clicking and dragging and releasing the mouse button, and it will give us a measurement. We also have other tabs for advanced scanning, TGC controls and the like, but those are only used when you have a probe plugged in. The new exam tab allows you to create a patient folder for your exams, and the preference tab allows you to input facility and physician names and things like that in advance. If you download cine images, you'll click the load button here on the cine side rather than the image side. So that's all there is to it. Thank you very much for taking the Seymour test drive. Please contact us for more information.